Hey guys, what's up? I have made 2 new wallets. Yeah, I'll show you them. Okay, this is the first one. This is a bifold wallet. E right here on the outsides. Little pink stripes on the sides. So this is the inside. You have your credit card slot right here. And then E right here. And it's a Ziploc. Yeah. Can you kind of see? Ziploc. Hold on. Ziploc. Kind of. Right there. Anyway, the Ziplocs. My new invention. Okay. Yeah, so I have that one. This was the first one that I made. This one is not for sale. It's personalized for moi. Okay. Then I like this one. Boom! Angry Birds. I drew this whole thing. This took me like forever. And then and there's the catapult thing in the grass and he's shooting in there. I need to redraw my circles though, because Sharpie comes off. Yeah. And this is the inside. I'm trying to like see. Whoa. Anyway, I have the little piggy right here. And then I have credit card right here, hidden pocket right there. You can kind of see it. Yeah, right there. And then, where the pig is, I have 1, 2, 3 credit card slots. Tres. Uno. Maybe dos. Dos. Indian tres. So, in all, that'd be 5 credit card slots right here. So this, I guess, is called my credit card layout. I guess I could sell this. Could I? Yeah. Sell this. Okay. So I'm saying, maybe $3.50 for this wallet. So there's this. You have to pay shipping. So you have to pay shipping and handling, and of course $3.50, depending how much the shipping is, which I don't know. Yes. So you'd have to send the money in a little envelope, and then I'd boop-a-doo-to-doo send this off to you. So that's the inside. One last look at this inside. I'm sorry, it's summer. I really don't like thinking. Okay, so that's the outside. Again, outside. And then the inside. Of course, you do not get iTunes. No, it does not come with it. But of course, remember, 5 credit card slots. 1 here, 1 hidden, and then 3 right here. Of course, the little pig that I do too. And then the little Angry Bird, the shooting and that. Okay. Subscribe up there, maybe? No, right there, I think. And then like right there. Favorite right there. See, I got this down. Because I watch YouTube so much. And then, I love you, YouTube. And then comment down there. First one that comments just says, I want the Angry Bird wallet, blah, blah, da, da, gets it. Okay? So, race to the flame. Woohoo! Wait, no. I'm sorry, that's a game show. Race to the finish line. How about that? Woohoo. Doesn't sound as exciting, does it? I'm wasting time. I'm just gonna go. Bye! Maybe.